And it blows my mind because whenever I'm talking to somebody about hair extensions, they act as if it is such a foreign item or service, or somehow magically it should act some special, unique way outside of what hair normally acts like. And I always use hair color as an analogy. Why do you need your hair extensions to do this one thing? If you do hair color, do you only ever do touch-ups and you do nothing else? No. You also have lighteners and bleaches. You do foils. You do highlights. You do toners. You do pull-throughs. You don't just do the one root color and then that's magically going to last, until it grows out and gets cut off. So hair extensions, you got to think about it and approach it the same way. There is different systems. There is different techniques, or there are different systems, techniques, and application methods, and they all matter. They're all viable. And if you're not sure how to do it, it is okay to say, I don't know, or I'm not sure, or I do this and I like this because, but this might not be for you. If you want to try it, let's go. If not, I could probably have to refer you or recommend you to somebody else or something else,